How's it going, guys, and welcome back to an episode of Life Been Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be making a video on capture card recommendations, and I want to shout out Dynastic Flame right here for giving me this suggestion. I said I'd shout out anyone who gave me a really good idea for a video, and I'm going to be shouting out all these guys as well who left me really good recommendations, and I'm probably going to make videos on all of their suggestions as well. So, guys, if you are interested in getting a free shout out like Dynastic Flame here, go subscribe to his channel, by the way. All you have to do is just leave me a really good video suggestion. I'll make a video about it and I'll shout you out. It's that easy. So guys, now let's hop into the capture card recommendations. Also, guys, one more quick thing before the video starts. I just want to give a little plug to my second channel, Gaming Made Easy. Been doing tons of live streams on here, Call of Duty, Apex Legends, reaction videos. Guys, if you're interested, and I'm going to be doing a Fortnite live stream in the upcoming future. So guys, if you want to see gaming content and gaming gameplay, go subscribe to my second channel. Okay, now let's get into the capture card video. Okay guys, so let's just jump right into it. Just going to be breaking down my personal thoughts and recommendations when getting a capture card. Because I have done a lot of research on this. I've seen a lot of videos talking about capture card suggestions. So I'm also big into technology and streaming. So why don't I give you my recommendation as well? So guys, number one capture card when it comes to quality is by far Elgato. Now, Elgato makes a series of capture cards if you're interested in console gaming, which I guess most of you are, and console streaming who are watching this video. Get an Elgato, but it all comes down to your budget, basically. So Elgatos range from a wide range of pricing. They sell an Elgato HD capture card, which is their first model that did 1080p 30 FPS. Then they came out with the HD60, and then they come out with the HD60S, and it's just slight improvements over time. My recommendation, if you're on a really strict budget, just get the Elgato Game Capture HD. Is that on here at all? Yeah, this one right here. So that does Xbox, PlayStation, Xbox One, PS4. You can also do Xbox 360 and PS3 as well, if you guys didn't know that. You can also get the HD60 Pro. That's like you plug that directly into your PC, so you have to have a actual desktop PC to use that one. Now, if you have a bit bigger budget, I would go for the HD60 or HD60S. Honestly, I don't think there's a big difference between the HD60 and HD60S. It just has to do with like the speed of the data transfer between your console and your PC. It's slightly faster on the HD60S, but to me that's not a big deal. And I'm guessing most of you watching this are on a budget, as most people are, and they don't have unlimited money to spend. So as you can see here, Elgato HD60, $109, open box. You should go pick that up. I think that's a really good price. Now, the reason I'm not on Amazon is because Amazon way overcharges for all of this. They charge you around full price for most items. The actual capture card I got, which I'll show you right here, I got a mirror box. Game capture. Hopefully this pops up. Yep, I got this one. So brand new, guys, brand new. This is over $100 on Amazon right now. It's $99.99 or something like that. I would never ever pay $100 for this. So the one I have right now is USB 3.0. It's pretty solid. I don't have the best PC when it comes to live streaming. Obviously, I'm live streaming off Wi-Fi and on my laptop, which I have a decent, powerful laptop. It's got a 960M and i7 6700. So it's like mid-range, powerful. So I got a decent quality capture card here. I actually got mine off Mercari. If you guys have ever heard of Mercari, that's a great place to shop. People set the prices on there and they sell their used stuff. I got mine brand new off Mercari. The guy never used it and he sold it for $60. I had $40 already saved up on there. Or actually, sorry, like almost $50 saved up. So I basically got the thing for like $10. I only had to pay $10 for mine. And so far it's been working great. So if you guys want to go pick one of these up, I'd recommend this. The only issue with this is it does get hot, and I'm going to say that the quality isn't as good as an Elgato. It still does 1080p 60 FPS, so that's up. Now, when it comes to like your internet and your budget, you have to look at what you truly need. If you don't have the best internet, do not go out and buy a 1080p 60 FPS capture card because your computer will not be able to run it. That's just me being honest. I have a decent laptop and I have a decent internet connection, and I can only stream at like 720p 60 FPS. I cannot hit 1080p. My computer will start frying and it does not go well. So let me just move over here, show you some other ones. And also, I would not spend anywhere less than 50 bucks on a capture card. If you're spending less than $50, it's probably garbage quality, and it's probably not even HD. That's just my honest opinion. I know that Hodgepodge makes one as well. AverMedia, that's a good one. I'd recommend that, but obviously, see how expensive that is. Maybe AverMedia has a slightly less priced one. Yeah, this one right here. I'd recommend this one. See, new condition, 69 bucks. Get it on eBay. Get it on Mercari. Get it where it's like practically new. You don't want anything that's been like heavily beat up or anything like that, or heavily used. But yeah, this one's pretty nice. Don't get any capture card that's gonna be why does this have no specs on it? Don't get anything that's gonna be recording 4K because that's just pointless. No one's gonna be here we go. No one's gonna be watching a stream in 4K. That's impossible for an internet signal to hold. So yeah, 1080p. Does this do 60 FPS? You should shoot for 60 FPS just because that looks really nice. Oh, here we go. Input pass through. Okay, yep, this can hit 1080p 60 FPS right there. So that's good. Oh wait, no. Oh, sorry. No, it only can hit the 30 FPS. I thought this is the pass through. This is the resolution. Okay, so yeah, I'd go with AverMedia. I'd go with Elgato. I'd go with Mirrorbox. Hodgepodge also makes good quality capture cards. If there's any more I can find on eBay right now, I will show you. I wouldn't buy this just because like that's like unbranded. I mean, that'd be my last result. Don't buy this one. That looks cheap. 4K 30. There's no point in that. But this is decently priced. HD60 Game Live. This looks pretty nice actually for only 80 bucks. You guys, it just has to come down to your budget and what kind of specs you need. If your PC can handle 1080p 60 FPS, go with the Elgato HD60 or HD60S. If you're looking for 1080p 30, go with a regular Elgato. If you're on a tight budget, get a non-Elgato branded capture card, Mirrorbox, Hodgepodge, AverMedia, or non-branded sometimes like this one. Just something that can handle a decent quality live stream. So guys, that's going to be my recommendations for getting a capture card. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all found it useful. I'm doing live streams on my second channel, Gaming Made Easy, using my Mirrorbox. So if you want to head over there, you can see the quality I'm streaming at. It's not the best quality, obviously, because I don't have the best internet and don't have the best PC, but I make with what I have. Yeah, so guys, if you're new here, subscribe, turn on notifications. Go check out my second channel if you want to see some gaming content. Leave me video suggestions down in the comments if you guys want a shout out. All that good stuff. Go follow me on my social media, check out my merch store, and use my Amazon affiliate links down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.